Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to hide activity status on Instagram from one person in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Now open the chat of the person that you want to hide the activity from. Tap on the username at the top. Now tap on the three-dot icon at the right side. Tap on Restrict. Tap on Restrict again to confirm. Now they won't be able to see your activity status. And that is how to hide activity status on Instagram from one person. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.